Hello, today I'm going to talk about a really good lipstick that I use. It's from the brand Auraline Beauty, and this particular shade is called Naked. So Auraline is a smaller brand. They actually do products for other brands, but they have a really great line of liquid lipsticks. They do have other products as well. I think that their lipsticks are one of their best products. I love their liquid lipsticks. They have a really great formula. They have a pretty good array of shades. And I think that they're really inclusive as far as their marketing. So I'm excited to talk about it because I know a lot of people are not aware of their brand. But they have really great liquid lipsticks. So I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about that. And I have a couple other shades that I can show you just so you can kind of get a good idea of the range of products that they have. They have really great nudes. And so for those who are looking for a really good nude lipstick, they have plenty. And you know, from tans to browns to chocolates to pinks. It's like more of like a red nude. They have like an array of colors. So I'm going to kind of show you some other ones that I have that I use quite often. And one thing about Auraline is that they're very wearable colors. So you can wear them every day. So for those who don't like a heavy makeup look, but you do like a lipstick, like a simple lipstick, you can wear their shades. They're completely nude. You can still obviously see it on your lip because it's a liquid matte lipstick. But it blends in so well, it doesn't really make you look like you're wearing too much makeup. So that's one thing that I appreciate. So as you can see, they do come in a larger size vial. This is a lot of product. That's a really good amount of lipstick. That's going to last you for a while. So as you can see here, it's about as tall as my ink pen. So again, that's a good amount of product. That's going to last you for months. I've had this vial for months. Now obviously I don't wear it every day. And when I do wear it, I actually don't have to reapply it because the formula is so good. So I can put it on once, wear it all day long, and since it's nude, when it starts to rub off a little bit, it's not as noticeable because again, it's already such a light color. It kind of blends in with your natural lip color. So I appreciate that as well. Since it is hard plastic, I mean, and it's a bigger vial, you maybe want to be careful with chipping. So if you were to drop this like on the bathroom floor or something, the bottom may chip. Now also just want to bring to your attention that they don't have deco. You can see that the vial is actually completely vacant. It's just the black cap and the blank vial. But on the bottom, you're going to see the shade name. So again, you see it's liquid matte lipstick and you see that it's in the shade Naked, but they don't do like a lot of art deco on the front because again, they source for other brands. But again, it doesn't take away from the product. The product is amazing. You can always know if you're like me and you have like a million lipsticks, you can always just look at the bottom label so you know what it is. So again, this isn't portable. Not really. I mean, you can put it in your makeup bag, but this isn't something that I'm going to want to carry at night in my clutch or like in my pocket. It's just way too big, you know, it's just way too big. But either way, you're not going to need to keep applying it, as I said before, because it's got a really, really great formula. So I'm going to swatch it for you. But of course, not without first letting you see the wand. So as you can see, now there's a device in this. It's called a wiper. So what happens is when the wand goes into the bottle and you pull it up, that wiper wipes the wand clean of excess product. Now, I've used plenty of liquid lipsticks, but I can tell you that Auraline's design for their wiper in their bottle is the absolute best because when I pull this wand out, it doesn't have a bunch of product on it, as you can see. It's almost completely clean other than this little bit. You can wipe that off on the side and there's nothing. Also, I want to bring to your attention that their wand is really good. So it has this angulated tip right here. It has the point and the flat part. So for those who are like not the best at applying liquid lipsticks like myself, you line your lip with the tip, fill it in with the flat part. But what I do is I just fill it in with this part and rub my lips together because again, I don't like a lot of lipstick on, but that is like perfect. So again, that is called the wiper, and it's the device that goes right in here, as you can see right in there. And it definitely does its job better than any lipstick that I have, and I have plenty. So again, this shade is called Naked. It's one of the nudes. It's more of like a browner nude. So for those who are looking for like a good brown nude but not too chocolate, I think this is really good. So I'm just kind of swatch just a little bit for you. So as you can see, it's definitely a browner color, which is nice. I mean, it's definitely still nude. It's not too dark, as you can see. The payoff is great. It went on smooth. and then you saw I did just that little swipe. It went on really smooth. The fragrance is more like a vanilla. It definitely has a fragrance. It's not too strong. I don't really mind it. It's a flavor, so when you put it on your lips, you can taste it as well. It's definitely a good flavor. It's not too strong. Now I have a couple of these. So there was Naked that I just used, which is like a chocolatey brown. Now this one I use all the time. It's more of like a tan nude, so as you can see. So on my arm you can see it's a little bit lighter. I use that all the time. It's a really, really great nude to have. Let me just give you like a little look. So that's Naked, and this is Just Be. It's the one that I use. I use it all the time. It's a really great everyday lipstick. And then also Auraline has a little bit of they have a really great red collection, and this shade is called Bitten, B-I-T-T-E-N. And as you can see, it's like a classic burgundy, a classic like purple burgundy, which is really, really nice. So again, this is Auraline Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. They're really great. I would try them if I were you. Definitely a great brand to use. So for the lipstick lovers out there and the makeup lovers, I hope that you found this really helpful.